So you've mentioned like the requirements, you've mentioned the English exam. And what other requirements do health professionals have to meet in order to be able to migrate to Australia? Aside maybe experience and proving their proficiency in English.
So as a migration professional, I have a subscription to the Education Department database. They look at every single institution around the world. So it's not just the country, it's the specific institution. And some clients might say, you know, I've done my degree in Nigeria. That degree may only be equate to a certificate level. And then in other cases, the degree may be equivalent to a bachelor's or higher. It really depends on the specific institution.
Wow.
So we can't necessarily just kind of look at something and go, here's a degree, it equals that. We need to actually assess the qualification